Hey there, visionaries. Welcome to RichestSoft, where we turn big ideas into bigger realities. Today, we're diving into a topic that's out of this world, literally. Ever wondered how to create an app like the Pattern, the astrology app that's making waves in the digital universe? Well, you're in for a treat. Here's a fun fact to blow your mind. The global astrology app market hit a jaw-dropping $3 billion in 2024 and is rocketing toward $9 billion by 2030. That's a 20% annual growth rate. Want a slice of that cosmic pie? You've landed on the right video. Stick with us, and we'll walk you through everything, from crafting stellar features to making money with your app. Ready to unlock the secrets of the stars and business success? Let's get started. Step 1. Decode the market. Before you start coding, start researching. Dive deep into the astrology app market. Explore what's trending, analyze top competitors, and don't just skim through reviews, study them. Spot what's missing. Are users complaining about boring designs? Limited features? Bingo! That's your chance to shine brighter than a supernova. Step 2. Assemble your star team. No groundbreaking app was ever built solo. You need developers who are not just good but great. Think of them as the constellations to your galaxy, each one playing a crucial role in building your dream app. From developers to designers, hire people who can bring your vision to life with passion and precision. Step 3. Build features that wow. Now, let's make your app irresistible. Start with essentials. Personalized horoscopes that feel like they were written just for your users. Compatibility tools to answer the age-old question, are we a match? Live astrology consultations that bring the stars to life in real time. But here's the twist, add something unique. Maybe daily affirmations, AI-powered predictions, or even a gamified zodiac quiz. The sky's the limit. Step 4. Create a cosmic design. Your app's design isn't just about looks, it's the soul of the user experience. Think mystical yet modern. Use calming colors like midnight blue and stardust silver. Add animations that flow like constellations. And don't forget mobile responsiveness. Your app should look flawless whether it's on a phone, tablet, or even a smartwatch. Step 5. Test like a pro. Think your app is ready after one test? Think again. Test it for performance. Test it for security. Test it for bugs. And then, test it again. Bring in beta testers to find issues you might have missed. Their feedback is pure gold for polishing your app to perfection. Step 6. Keep it fresh. The real magic happens after the launch. Listen to your users. They'll tell you what they love and what's missing. Regular updates aren't just maintenance, they're opportunities to keep your app relevant and engaging in a rapidly changing market. Now, let's talk dollars, how to make money. An astrology app isn't just about connecting with the stars, it's also about cashing in. Here's how. Offer premium subscriptions with exclusive features. Add in-app purchases like detailed compatibility reports. Partner with brands for strategic advertising. Use affiliate marketing for related products like crystals or journals. And don't underestimate the power of personalized consultations for a premium fee. The big question, what's the cost? Here's the lowdown. Developing an app like the Pattern can range from $30,000 to $250,000. Why the wide range? It depends on your features, design, and the team you hire. Not ready for a full launch? Start small with an MVP, a minimum viable product, to test your idea without breaking the bank. The takeaway? Building an app like the Pattern isn't just a tech project, it's your ticket to tapping into a booming industry. With the right strategy, team, and features, you can create something truly stellar that keeps users engaged and your wallet happy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RichestSoft for more game-changing business insights. Together, we'll turn your vision into reality, one app at a time. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars. See you soon.